Hello mga kauto! So this is Engineer Arky from Home Automated PH and nandito po tayo sa ating Aspen project sa May Samet, Manila, and magre-request po tayo ng client feedback from one of our clients who availed one of our products, which is the Smart Fence. So yun, thank you po again Sir Pepe for availing one of our products. So kamusta po sir yung naging overall experience niyo?
Maganda yung experience, no? Very seamless. So nung unang visit mo, tapos tingin mo yung bahay, ulit kung ano yung kailangan namin, nag-suggest ka ng mga best, no, para sa aming bahay. So maganda and maganda kausap yung company nyo, and madaling maintindihan, no? Maganda lang pag-explain, and yeah, overall very happy with what our transaction has been.
Okay, thank you so much sir. And from a rate of 1 to 5 sir, mga ilang stars po kayo?
5 stars. 5 stars for your company. Thank you so much.
Okay, and bakit po 5 sir?
Maganda yung service eh. So, like, ocular ka, no? Tapos, nag-install ka, mabilis ang gawa. Tapos ngayon, nag-orient ka pa, and tinuruan mo kung paano gamitin yung system. So, and madali yung pagka-intindi. So, maganda yung pagka-explain. So, yeah, very, very happy with their service.
Okay, thank you so much sir. And marirekan po ba nila sir?
Yes, very, very much. So, baka mag-usap pa tayo about the automation of our gate and all.
Okay, so, thank you po. Opportunities sa kamayon. Sir, with that po, we'd like to give you a simple token.
Thank
Dahil
you.
maulan po ngayon, sir. Testingin po natin, sir, baka hindi
Sige
gumagana. Ayun po, sir. Personalized automated.
Thank you.
Ayun, thank you so much, Sir Pepe. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Alright.
Enjoy your new smart fence, sir.
Thank you so much.